Can't boot into Windows 10? Here's the fastest way to get into safe mode using only your power button. If Windows won't start properly, make sure your PC is completely turned off. Turn on your PC. As soon as the Windows or manufacturer's logo appears, hold down the power button until it shuts down. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Repeat this on-off cycle 2 or 3 times. Note, on our test laptop, we repeated this process 4 times. Other systems may only need 2 or 3 attempts. After multiple failed boot attempts, Windows will automatically enter the recovery environment. From there, navigate to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart. Now you'll see 3 main options to enter safe mode. Press 4 for basic safe mode. Press 5 for safe mode with networking, the best option for internet access to download fixes. In safe mode with networking, you typically only have a wired or Ethernet connection. Wi-Fi is usually disabled. Press 6 for safe mode with command prompt. Your PC will now restart directly into safe mode. To exit safe mode, just restart your computer normally. These steps work on both laptops and desktops, providing a reliable way to access safe mode even if Windows won't start normally. This is the fastest power button method, but there are other ways too. Click or tap the video on the screen or use the link in the description or pinned comment to watch the full tutorial.